Hey y'all, it's Johnny, and this is Georgia Peach Cooks and Creates. And I wanted to give you my final look for my bathroom. There's my kitty cat. He won't stay out of the video, y'all. I'm so sorry. I've done everything I could. So he's just that way. He wants to be nosy. Everything's new. So I wanted to give you a tour of my bathroom. I have been working on this for quite a number of days now, and I have finally finished with it. All the DIYs that I've been doing, they're all in this. So, except for a couple. A couple went to my friend's house named Gina. So, let me give you the grand tour. Okay, so on this mirror right here, I went ahead and hung this love sign, as you can see. And all I did was basically take wire, floral wire, and I looped it through a command hook on the other side of my medicine cabinet. So that's that there. And then come around, and I've got all that there. There's one. Hi y'all. And I've got one of all there. So that looks like that. And then up here on the wall, I've got my wreath and my other two little DIYs. And I have changed my bathroom. I don't know if you can tell. My curtain out, yeah, I think you can. To a baby pink color, and it's gray. Got the gray matching carpets. And then over here, I've just basically laid and tiered some pink and gray towels. And there is my Be Mine sign that we just made. Okay, y'all, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY and fun time. And you guys like and subscribe. And don't forget, there's more stuff coming up. It's going to be springtime. So I'm going to do some spring DIY projects too. Y'all be blessed and have a wonderful day.